好, welcome to Beautiful Mandarin. I am Teacher Du. 我是杜老师. And today we're going to start from the most common, most basic Mandarin word and Mandarin conversation. Let's get started. 第一课，课文一，你好，你好。In the Mandarin language system, we have two parts. The first part is 汉字, 汉字 characters, and the second part is 拼音, 拼音. It's a phonetic system we use to help us remember how to pronounce the characters. So when you read and write 你好, you use 你好, the characters. And when you learn how to pronounce 你好, you use 拼音你好 to help you. So to get you started with learning Mandarin, we're going to start from the phonetic part in Mandarin. 拼音. In 拼音, we have vowels and consonants. So in your very first lesson, 第一课, we're going to start with the simple vowels and the consonants. Let's take a look at the vowels first. The first vowel we're going to learn is a. So when you pronounce a, you open your mouth wide and big. It's like you are seeing a dentist. A. A. When you pronounce our second vowel, your lips are rounded like a donut. O. O. Second vowel. O. And our third vowel is You probably wonder why I have a picture of goose here. Because when you say that's actually the Mandarin word or the Chinese word for goose. Now you might be wondering, why do I feel I'm hearing different tones? That's because you are hearing different tones. And we have 4 different tones in Mandarin. Now that we've learned the 3 vowels already, let's first take a look at the 4 different tones in Mandarin. These are the 4 different tones in Mandarin. 一声, 二声, 三声, 四声. 一声, 二声, 三声, 四声. So now let's practice the 4 tones with our first vowel. A. 一声 a. 二声 a. When you are surprised, you tend to say in Mandarin. A. 三声 You make a turn here, and then your tone rises. 四声 Now with 一声、二声、三声 and 四声. 啊啊啊啊哦哦哦哦鹅鹅鹅 Do you still remember what 'means in Mandarin? And 'actually means hungry in Mandarin. Now take some time to practice 啊 o with 一声、二声、三声 and 四声. Now let's move on to our next vowel. 一 E. The next vowel we're going to talk about is U. Sometimes we use U to describe the sound of a train's whistle blow in Mandarin. So it's like woo, 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 woo. Okay, now we've come to the last vowel in Mandarin. To pronounce this vowel, yu, you first pronounce the vowel yi, and then you gradually move your mouth shape into this. Yi. One more time. Yi. Let's try it faster. Yu. Yu. Okay, now yi, u, yu with 一声、二声、三声 and 四声。一、以、以、意、乌、无、五、物、五、五、于、鱼、语、玉. Okay, now pay attention and listen to 你 as in 你好. 你 Can you find which vowel is in 你? Yi, ni, yi, ni. Did you find it? Now that we have yi, and we're trying to make the sound ni. So what are we missing here? We're missing the consonant. So now let's take a look at all the consonants in Mandarin. Let's read all the consonants together, and you can practice as many times as you can at home before you come to our class. 波、坡、摸、佛、的、特、呢、了、个、科、呵、鸡、七、西、知、吃、诗、日、 do this together. 以 你 So this is how you pronounce 你 as in 你好. Are you ready to start your first conversation in Mandarin? 你好你好 One more time. 你好你好